Welcome all to Eat, Drink and Explore with Cece. Today we're doing a drink. We are actually doing a mocktail. It is entertaining season coming up with Thanksgiving and Christmas. Thought it would be a perfect opportunity to create a mocktail that you can provide your guests as they arrive. You can make a big picture of this, or you can do it by the glass as people requested. It's super simple and it's very, very refreshing as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with some rose syrup, okay? And then we're just going to need a little touch of that. And then the star of the show is going to be coconut water. Make sure you get not from concentrated, no pulp. And we're going to get mango nectar. Again, make sure that it is pure mango nectar in there, water and mango nectar. Now, if you have pulp, like mango pulp frozen in the fridge, by all means, utilize that. That's good. And then you're going to have a simple syrup in here. How do you make a simple syrup? You simply take 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of water, put it on the stove, dissolve the sugar all the way down until you get this beautiful liquid, and cool it down before utilizing it. And it's the same simple syrup that you would use for baking. It's great for cocktails as well and mocktails. You're going to need a sprig of mint, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and some ice. So pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to load up the glass, nice chunky. And this drink is satisfying whether you're in the south where it's hot during the holiday seasons or north. It doesn't matter. It has this beautiful, refreshing feel in the mouth, waking up your taste buds for what's to come. So on the rose syrup, where did I pick this up? I picked it up at a Middle Eastern store. You can also pick it up at on Amazon. And you just want to pour in half a teaspoon of the syrup. Sorry. I'm going to do another. There we go. And then you're going to pour in your mango. And I'm going to pour in 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of your mango, 1 tablespoon of simple syrup. Now, you can put more simple syrup if you want. I don't like it too sweet. I like to have it a little bit on the tart side, so I use only 1. But typically people that have a sweet tooth like to have at least 2. And we're going to need a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then the rest, you do not want to stir the drink, right? You just kind of want to set it like that, because look how beautiful it is down at the bottom. See that? That's kind of what you're trying to create. And then you just top it up with the coconut water. There we go. And we can just decorate that. Take that one off. Just a sprig of mint. And what I'm going to do with these leaves, cut them a la menu right when you need it. Don't pre-do this, because what you want is you want that essence of the mint and its oils to go into the drink. And then I just use my little, let it float. We'll let that hang out. There you are. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. It's so gorgeous. Now, if you want, you could add more of the syrup in there, but if you're not accustomed to rose, start small and then add in a little bit more as you get accustomed to it. Opens up the palate. It's almost like a mousse bouche. It opens up the palate of your guests, and they're ready to partake in those beautiful, delightful dinner dishes that you're making, or appetizers. And what's exciting about it too is that when you go to have it, people don't expect to have the little bit of that rose, and they can't really put their finger on it. So enjoy. Oh, that's lovely. That is really lovely. Now, if you want to have less coconut, then add in a little bit more of the mango. Make it more tropical. So you see, I'm not stirring it, and I personally, that 1 tablespoon of simple syrup was good enough for me. And then I'm going to add in, you can serve it just like that, where you have the streaks on the top as well. So, number of alternative ways of serving. It's a great mocktail, especially especially for women who are pregnant. This is a perfect one too, because of the coconut water is very hydrating. Oh, so nice. And you honestly, you get the rose syrup is back there, but you don't know what it is. It just all blends in with the mint and that as well. So there you have it. This is what I'm going to be calling. It looks almost like a sunset to me. It reminds me of a sunset in Florence. You know, when you're overlooking the Ponte Vecchio from the Michelangelo's piazza at the very top of the hill. That's what this reminds me of. So gorgeous. I'll put up a picture so you can see what I'm talking about. Look at that. Gorgeous. Well, hope you guys enjoy that and your guests enjoy that over the holidays. It's a fabulous drink. So once again, thank you so much for joining me. Always greatly appreciated. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning champion, thank you so much for showing your love and coming back. If you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, join our community, help us grow our channel to more enthusiasts like yourselves. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. Have a fabulous day. Ciao for now.